Hello everyone, my name is Waqar Hassan. Today I will discuss issues that students face while writing a good essay. Many students they fail to create a good essay because they lose their confidence in the examination hall. It happens when students cram the material to produce an essay and they do not work on their ability to generate an essay. Essay writing is all about your personal opinion. You need to generate it when you sit in the examination hall. You need to generate points on a given topic, and then you need to plan those points accordingly to make a thesis, an introduction, body paragraphs, suggestions, then conclusion. So this is the process that involves mental exercise. It involves practice. It involves mental strength, focus, and the ability to produce at the particular moment in the examination hall. So this ability, if you fail to acquire this ability, you will definitely face disappointment when you appear in the exams. So, if you're preparing for competitive exams, keep in mind that the first requirement to appear in competitive exam is to generate the ability to critically analyze a topic or to at least gain the ability to generate points on a given topic. For example, let's consider a topic classrooms decide the future of a nation. So, close your eyes and just think about it that can you generate few ideas on this particular topic. Can you close your eyes for a moment? Okay, yes, I can generate a few ideas. Okay, I'm thinking about tolerance, I'm thinking about patience, I'm thinking about mutual coexistence, skills, leadership, prosperity, progress, progressive tendencies, democracy, democratic values, rule of law, education. So my mind has produced a few ideas, and I know that this was a surprise topic. And if I come across such kind of topics in my essay paper, I can generate a few ideas. So this is the ability of your mind to generate ideas. So you can test yourself right now by closing your eyes and thinking about the topic. But if you fail to do so, then definitely you need to develop this ability. This ability, it comes with practice. It requires practice, it requires self-belief, it requires patience, it requires hours, days, months to develop this ability, because confidence, it comes with practice and it comes with serious kind of an effort. So the first thing is, you should develop a habit to think about a topic from different perspectives. For example, classrooms decide. This is an essay from the past papers, I think from 2008 or 2009. Classroom decide future of a nation. So the first step to attempt this essay is brainstorming. Brainstorming is essential part of generating ideas so that you can attempt essay on any particular topic. So brainstorming involves assigning your mind with the task to provide you with the maximum ideas on a particular topic. So first of all, you should practice this. You should practice this process to generate ideas. Like I'm doing right now. I'm trying to write on all the ideas that my mind is providing me. So this is the first process to do brainstorming. So if you fail to do brainstorming, then definitely you need to practice it a lot. Those students who fail to acquire this ability, they should not appear in competitive exams. So if you are capable enough to brainstorming, yes, then you can move to the next phase of essay writing, that is planning your points. And definitely you cannot do effective planning if you fail to do effective brainstorming. So when you brainstorm your essay, you will find many points to write down, relevant points on this particular topic. Then you need to plan these ideas. These ideas, you need to make a sequence, and you need to decide that where you have to put these ideas in your essay so that you can prove your strengths. So after brainstorming, you have to plan that how you need to develop the flow of your essay, how you need to put these ideas in the structure, in the body of the essay. The third part is to plan body paragraphs. And definitely you generate body paragraphs from these points. So again, if you fail to brainstorm, you will fail to do effective planning, and resultantly you won't be able to generate body paragraphs. And body paragraphs are essential part. They are essential parts of your essay. They actually prove your strengths, prove your thesis, and your thesis prove your strengths on a given topic. So point is brainstorming is essential, and after that planning is essential to bring coherence and clarity in your essay writing, and after that paragraphs, they are vital to make you capable enough to write an essay. So the next thing is, the most important thing is that many students, when they cramming, it won't help you to create an essay. Cram material will only help you to write a few lines. This material will not help you to impress the examiner. In order to persuade the examiner, you need to make effective points. You need to think critically, and you need to give the examiner all the reasons what you think to prove your strengths. And yes, you can take help from stats or figures or facts if you have any facts, figures in your mind. But again, cramming won't help you to create an essay. So my suggestion for essay writing is that generate the ability to think and grow. Generate the ability to produce ideas at a particular moment. For this, you people need to practice this. Just take out a paper and write down all the points on any given topic. You can practice it from the past papers. Take out a paper, select a topic from the past papers, do your brainstorming, and ask your mind to give you ideas. Your mind acts like a computer. If you give a command, your mind will definitely give you relevant ideas. So today's lecture, it was all about how to brainstorm and what is the most essential element in attempting an essay. Most students, they fail to pass in CSS or PMS or in competitive exam just because they fail to brainstorm. And unfortunately, students, they don't work hard to acquire this ability. Certainly, they appear in exams, they cram a lot of essays. They expect that their crammed essay, it will help them to attempt any essay in the paper, or they expect that the paper, it might come from the topics that they have prepared. But in many cases, it does not happen. And resultantly, students, they face disappointment in the examination hall, and they lose their confidence on the very first day of exams. So try to generate this ability of brainstorming, and trust me, you people will find it really easy to attempt essay paper. Keep watching and keep sharing. I will definitely come with more innovative ideas on how to generate an essay and how to get rid of your habit to cram material, and how you people can become more creative in essay writing. Thank you so much.